Hi everyone, be welcome to this video where we are going to be learning about how to use Blooket. Blooket is an amazing tool that we can use with our students and we can go right away to know about this. Okay, we have to go and join or log in and sign up for this resource by our email account, yes, by our Gmail account. And as you can see here, I have mine already, so that's why you can see my profile as teacher, but also you can create yours and you are going to be able to have this amazing way of testing your students according to what you want to do. And here we go. I have this that I designed already. So as you can see here, this is a quiz that I have of 10 questions. And if I want to edit, I'm going to go like this, and I have to see what are the questions and what are the answers that I have chosen to use. But also today I'm going to show you how to create one, okay? Because this is the main object right now, that you are going to be creating your own Blooket to use with your students. So let's start. We are going to be learning about, let's say that we have to learn about animals. So this is going to be my title, animals. And in this game, we are going to learn about animals. So that's my description, and also you have to go for looking for a picture or anything that you want to use as a cover page. Let's say that we are going to be looking for animals, yes, and here you can use or choose any of these pictures that you have here from the gallery. And I'm going to choose this one, the one from the little panda. And of course, this is going to be for everyone. So in the case that you want to share with someone, you can do it without any problem. So let's go here. We are going to be choosing for the manual thing, because we are going to be editing and we have to create our own questions. So here it says that we don't have any question yet, so we are going to be adding a question, and it says, question number 1, what's the question? Okay, what is the animal with a white and black color that lives in the ocean, let's say like that. So we are going to be working on these questions, but also we have to go for the answers in the case that it's going to be getting it as correct or wrong answer. Let's say penguins, and this is the correct one. We have to choose here and click on the check. We are going to go for pandas too, but pandas, they don't live on the ocean, right? And we can go for zebras. They are white and black too. And also we can go for polar bear, let's say. Polar bear. Okay, we are going to be working here in save. And here it is. It is your question number 1. You can continue. For example, tell me the name of a animal that starts with the letter, let's say letter A. And we can go for typing an answer, right? So here they can type, all right? So this is the way that you have to look for that. And also we can add alternatives, yes. Either you can go for exactly what they say or not, okay? And save it. Okay, let's go for the answer. The answer maybe it is an ant because it's from the vocabulary, okay, that you have worked with your students. We have already 2 questions, and let's say one more, and let's go for random. We are going to be working for multiple choice. Okay, here we go. And also, what is the animal that lives in the jungle? And we can go for like dog. We can go for lion. We can also go for a hen. And let's say that this is a 4 dog, okay? And the one who lives in the jungle, it is the lion, of course. So we have to save it, and we have created. Yes, we have to save the set. And right here, as you can see, I have my game of 3 questions that I can host right now. Going to go for hosting. And remember, this is important to share with your students because they are going to be able to play with once you have shared the link, but also the code, okay? So we can go for gold quest. In this case, they can steal their gold quest to their partners or classmates. Also, we can go for the Pirate's Village, where they can find the treasure according to the questions that they have, or either a fishing frenzy. It's another one that it calls their attention a lot. And also here we have the dinos. This is another thing that students love. But one of those that I have been using a lot, it is the one of Gold Quest, because they steal each other their gold, so it is very fun for them. So here we go. It says that you can host now, and how many minutes you want your activity. Either you want more than 7 or less than 7, you can choose from here. And also you are going to be setting what you want them to see. All right, and you can host right now. When you host right now, it's going to be giving you the join link like this one. It is copied already, and this is the number, the code. So you have to share this with your students and have fun. So this is all for me, and thank you so much everyone for being here and paying attention to this amazing tool.